letter sound for today. This is our 5th week, week 5. And our lesson is letter sound. Just pretend as we're taking an X-ray on your hand. As you can see, these two here, they're taking an X-ray on the hand. Let's hear the story. One day the little boy has fallen over and hurt his arm. Oh, my arm is hurt. At the hospital, he has an X-ray taken, which shows that this arm is blocking. Oh, sorry, your arm is blocking. His friend has a toy camera and he pretends to take an X-ray picture of the boy's arm, making a sound. Let's see the examples of sound. Here I can see an X-ray picture here. X-ray, showing that the hand is blocking. Exit. There's exit. Fox. Fox. There's sound. Fox. Box. Box. Six. Already the exit word, so right here. So when you are making sound, you have to do it like a slant and another slant. That's Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Bye.